Looks like atom bomb. See, completely set up and everything. It looks like something expensive. Reflector, it looks like a kind of umbrella. Reflector, it looks like yes, a World Cup that we want. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's too high, but we don't think we enhance the video quality so that a student, especially you guys, can get 100% knowledge and we purchased a new gadget, actually a new tool or new gadgets which is required to shoot our perfect videos, and that is nothing. We purchased that some tools of Digitech, that a professional toolkit to enhance the video quality so that a student, especially you guys, can get 100% knowledge and 100% accurate information. Like it is nothing but to improve the visibility. Accurate is needed, so let me show you the first gadget. What is that? I think it is obviously, oh, it's difficult. Yeah, it is a tripod. Yes, it is a official and heavy duty tripod. Let me see how it opens. Does it have any key down there? Oh, it's here. Just we have to unlock it, and that's it. The first thing, that is a tripod. Okay, height is enough, and even we can increase more height. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's too high, but we don't think we need that much. That much height is enough. That's luck. So first gadget is done. Now let's move to the second one. What's there in it? So let's check what's that. The another tool. I think it is. When I purchased it, those guys were calling it a reflector. So this is the reflector. It looks like a kind of umbrella. Now let's see what's that. It opens in that way. Okay, somehow, and they told me to click in that way. How? Let me click it. Okay, 1, 2. It's quite hard, guys, but it's not that much. But things looks like the gadget seems delicate, and we have to be careful. Otherwise, it can be broken easily. But still, let me try if I can do it properly. I fear, oh my god, it's broken or not? No, I say. Guys, generally, my habit rahi છે કે જ્યારે જ્યારે કંઈ પણ આવું purchase, when I did something new first time, it generally gets broken. So, I have to be careful, otherwise it's going to be broken. Okay, and 2 more and it's done. Oh, it is too hard tight now. Yeah, and the last one. Yes, so guys, it is done. It is called the reflector. Okay, so actually lights અહીંથી જશે, and somehow it is going to control the shadow or the density of the light, intensity or density of the light. It is called the reflector, I think, or In my language, I would say it is like kind of controlling the reflection of the light or the density or intensity of the light. The light actual that I'm dying to see it. So let's see. Okay, as usual, a lot of electrical gadget and the cable. Yes, the longest cable, the rope you can say હિંચકા ખાઈ શકે એવડો છે. So અને થોડી વાર let's keep it aside for a moment. And the booklet for the information. Anyway, આની જરૂર નથી because એમણે મને થોડું ઘણું બતાવેલું. They show me how to set the light perfectly. And yes, obviously the bill that I'm not going to show you. It is a bill. Otherwise, government or the tax department is going to have an issue. Okay, so it looks like atom bomb. See, completely set up and everything. It looks like something expensive gadget or like. Okay, so let me take it out gently. Can I, or I will break it? No. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Come on, baby. Come it out. Come on. Yes. So let's keep it gently. Let's remove the first one at the protector. Let's put it back. Okay, what's that? Is it a cup or what? Yes, a World Cup that we won. So much, yeah. Okay, let's see. Kya kaam lagse atyare tane. Let's keep it here. A World Cup. Another a kind of a cap. This. Okay. So now the main thing is here. Come on. Yes. It's here. This is the light and it has to set. Okay, it's going on that top of the stand at the tripod. Okay, let's lock it. It's locked. Now first of all what I will do, I will keep it safe on this top. I need to unscrew this one first. This I'm doing unscrewing it. Open up, baby. Quick. Yes. Now it sets here and now screw it back again. No? What's wrong? Yes. Okay. Now it's done. I think it's too much height. Let's pull it bit down. Okay. So this is the light and you can see the back panel over here. That it has some like switch. We can switch it on and off here. I think it's a menu controlling like a radio button kind of control. We can set temperature, something like apex, Bluetooth set, and it is a kind of hand speed. Yes, it gets heated. When we start it for like when you keep it on for a certain time of period, it gets extremely heated. So to cool it down, there is a fan inbuilt it. Okay, they give us a fan. So this is the back part and this is the front part. Yes, and yes, of course, ઢાંકણું છે. Let's open it and it's on. See the light or the magic. Okay, this is the lid or a cup of a tea. You can have a cup. ચાલો આ થઈ ગયું. હવે શું હશે? What's that? આ હોઈ શકે? Qatar World Cup. Now World Cup lagadi deshi to I think this one is going to fit over here. Keep it here over here. Okay, so this will be the perfect fit over here. What I will do is I have to match that notch with this one and let's put it there and yes, it's clicked. It's done. Setup is done. Okay. Now it's time for the electric supply, the electricity supply and the long cable again. Okay. So let me plug it here first. Yes, this way I just plug it here. Okay, and second, electricity connection. No, I can't generate the electricity. I'm not electric man. Okay, we need a plug. So I have my electric supply over here, and let's switch it on. So હવે શું કહે છે, ભગવાનનું નામ લઈને સ્વિચ ઓન કરવી એ આપણામાં ઇઝ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ બિલીફ. સો ગણપતિ બાપા, હનુમાનજી મહારાજનું નામ લઈને આપણે શરૂ કરીએ. સો જય ગણપતિ બાપા, હનુમાનજી મહારાજ. એન્ડ yes, it's on. Bingo. See the reflection or the light over here. Let me put it down or like how. Yes. Okay, so this is my light. Now you can see my face. Before it was a bit black. Now it looks and we can see with the help of that reflector we can see in the light clearly.